So with limiting reagents, there's going to be one reagent that will limit the amount of product made. So the example here is if you have 2 wheels and 2 frames, how many bicycles can you make? Since you only have 2 wheels, you can only make 1 bicycle. That means that the wheels would represent the limiting reagent. So in the practice problem, we have 10 grams of zinc chloride, and 10 grams of potassium. So since you have a quantity of 2 reagents, both of those reagents would represent substance A. And with a limiting reagent problem, you're just trying to determine which one will limit the amount of product. So it doesn't matter which product you choose, so we'll go with zinc as being substance B. You use your flow chart to go from A to B, and we'll just go with mass. You could also go with molecules, but you can't go with volume because this is not a gas. So neither product, zinc chloride or zinc, are gases. They're both, you'd have to use either mass or molecules. So your first conversion factor is 1 mole over the molar mass. So a mole of zinc chloride over the molar mass of zinc chloride. Then our next conversion factor is moles B over moles A. We have 1 mole of zinc. We have 1 mole of zinc chloride. And then our final conversion factor will be molar mass over a mole. Molar mass of zinc is 65.409 grams over 1 mole of zinc. 10 divided by 136.286 times 65 gives you 4.80 grams of zinc. So with 10 grams of zinc chloride, you can produce 4.8 grams of zinc. We do the same thing with potassium. 1 mole of potassium over the molar mass of potassium. Mole-to-mole ratio of B over A, which would be zinc over potassium, 2 moles of potassium. We get the 2 from right here. The 1, you would assume there's a 1. And then the molar mass of zinc. And that gives you 8.36 grams of zinc. Now when you compare these two, zinc chloride was able to produce 4.8 grams of zinc, where potassium was able to produce 8.36 grams of zinc. Since zinc chloride would produce less zinc than potassium, zinc chloride is the limiting reagent.